We have 150 million young students who are going to be entering into the workplace over the next 5 to 10 years. Now that represents both a challenge as well as an opportunity. These 1.4 billion that resting upon what these 150 million students are going to be bringing to the economy and how they will be helping the rest of the country to grow and to prosper in its welfare, in its well-being, in its wellness, in its wealth, as well as in what we are able to do as a society. From Coimbatore to Colorado, you have the ability to create a product or a service and market or sell this product to anywhere in the world. If we want to grow as a country, we need to make sure that we have 8,000 hubs of innovation and job creation. And that is what this Makers Hub, creatively designed and set up, represents. It is my conviction and it is my belief that within the next 10 years, we will be among the global top 10 most innovative countries of the world. And that is where the Makers Hub is set up here and that are being set up across the country, the Tinkering Labs, is going to help acquire that innovative mindset and that problem-solving mindset. World is beating him down, and unfortunately, the student feels he cannot be an innovator, he or she cannot be an innovator. And that is the mindset change that is required by all of us here. And that's why he says, so what is the difference between teaching and mentoring? Teaching is just passing on the knowledge about some subject that you know, however imperfectly you may know, to that person. Mentoring is enabling that person to know it for themselves and to practice it for themselves and to learn it for themselves. That's the difference between mentoring and teaching. So mentoring is always empathetic, compassionate, but I encourage more the parents to enable their children express their creativity, express their imagination, express it into an innovation, allow it to blossom and let them become the startup creators of the world of tomorrow.
Entrepreneurship is no more a choice. Become entrepreneur. You can't continue to thinking small. Only the irrational can do the impossible. Today, schools teach you. Teaching is different from gaining knowledge. Everybody who's studying physics will have to go to the same lab and use. So the time is limited. When your entire country is needing you to be entrepreneurs, it is certainly necessary for the entire ecosystem to help. So நிறைய இடத்துல ஏன் உங்களுக்கு என்ன பிரச்சனை women எப்ப பார் womenங்கிறீங்க நிறைய practical difficulties இருக்கு சார் and we need the entire society to help. See, why should there women included in the growth? Inclusive growth னு சொல்றோம். Indiaல about 50% women, right? Approximately, give take. Only a nation, it is a study, it is not my saying here. Only a nation that equally grows women can prosper. Has to be given that extra importance for any society to develop as a whole. Not be job seekers. We have to start getting into the mode of job creators. I'm very happy to be part of Women in Street program. Vijay Kumar sir ஆரம்பிச்சது. இப்போ STEM கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கோம், பட் இது வந்து ஸ்ட்ரீம் இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் இன்க்ளூசிவாக இருக்குது. சயின்ஸ், டெக்னாலஜி, ரிசர்ச், engineering, arts and maths. ஸோ அதுலேயே நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கொஞ்சம் இன்க்ளூசிவிட்டி நிறையா இருக்குது. அண்ட் ஸ்பெஷலாக விமன் இன் ஸ்ட்ரீம் அப்படின்னு கொண்டு வந்திருக்காங்க. வை விமன் இன்னோவேட்டர்ஸ் ஆர் இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ். ஸ்ட்ரீமுங்கிற ஒரு கான்செப்டே வந்து நிறைய இன்னோவேட்டர்ஸ் வேணும். சார் சொன்ன மாதிரி ஜாப் சீக்கர்ஸ் இல்லாமல் ஜாப் ப்ரொவைடர்ஸாக மாறும். அந்த ஜாப் ப்ரொவைடர்ஸாக யார் மாறுவாங்க? இந்தியாவில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு 50% பெண்கள் தான். ஸோ இந்த 50% பெண்களை விட்டுட்டு நாம் இந்த கண்ட்ரியை க்ரோ பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா கண்டிப்பாக முடியாது.